If you want to save a copy of an email to a file, you've got two main ways of doing it. So one is open up the email you want to save, and you click on the three dots, and you click download. So download is the most obvious one, and it saves it as an EML or email file that you can then open up in Outlook again in the future. So I'll just replace that. So that's one way. And then you can, obviously with that file, you can store it wherever you want to, back it up if it's important, etc. The other way is if you want a PDF of it, if you click print, click on print, it'll open up whatever your default printer is. And then if it's not defaulted to it, because I haven't got a printer turned on at the moment, you can choose to print it straight to OneNote if you're a bigger user of OneNote, or you can print it to PDF. And when you print it to PDF, you press print, and it will save a PDF version of it as a file, which again, you can save it wherever you want. The big difference is with a PDF, you can't open it back up as an email and then forward it on and send it like you can if it's an EML file. But I'll leave that up to you depending on your reasons for saving them. But that's how easy it is to download an email and save it as a file.